Hello everybody! I learned how to make this delicious slow cooker pork and potato recipe 30 years ago when I lived in the beautiful mountain town of Whitfield, Virginia, and I've been making it ever since. It's simple, all natural, and packed with flavor, so how can you go wrong with that? Let's get started. I start by removing the strings from the best and only cut of meat I ever used in this dish, pork shoulder roast, also known as pork butt. Here I have 4.5 pounds. I don't cut it into pieces, I don't season it or sear it. I just place it into my 4-quart slow cooker and add 2 quarts of water. This is not a complicated recipe. As a matter of fact, it's one of my easiest and tastiest dishes. My son gave me this slow cooker on my birthday 20 years ago. I've used it many times over the years and it's still going strong. Truly made to last. I loosen up the roast a little bit. I clean the rim of my slow cooker with a paper towel, cover it, and cook the pork for 6 hours on high. I peel half a pound of white potatoes and cut them into medium-sized pieces. After the roast cooks for 6 hours, I add salt and no other dry seasoning. I season my dishes well, but I do have a handful of dishes that benefit a lot more from just salt or salt and pepper than anything else. In this dish, the flavor of the pork is more predominant. I add the potatoes and let them cook on high for 1 hour. I like using white potatoes in this dish, but you may also use red or baking potatoes. You may choose to remove the roast from the pan and let the potatoes cook in its broth, but I find it easier to just leave it there. And today, I am going to shred it in a pan. This is such a simple and flavorful meal. Easy, all in one pot, just delicious country cooking. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with everyone you believe would enjoy this simple dish just like you do. Once the potatoes cook, dinner is ready. Great any day of the week and any season. This simple hearty meal is even better with a little sauerkraut and a buttered hoagie roll on the side. This inexpensive dish feeds 6 to 8 adults. Enjoy and bon appetit! If this is not comfort food, I don't know what is. The addition of the sauerkraut is key here. And the butter roll, dunk in the broth, is the cherry on top. It's a stick to your ribs meal and the kind that you keep eating even though you're full. It's just that good. And I hope you try it because it's so simple and easy. And it's easy to underestimate the flavor of this dish, but it's delicious. I love it. Yum. Look at that. A little potato. A little pork. A little sauerkraut. And the best part. Try it, you're gonna like it. And if you don't like sauerkraut, obviously you don't have to use it, but man, if you like sauerkraut, you're in for a treat. Well, thank you for watching. Until next time.